What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have a bird watching camera. When I initially bought this, I didn't even look at like the size or the description or anything, so I didn't know it would be this small. Now, the Birdkiss bird watching camera, the bird feeder watching camera is like twice the size of this. This thing is little and petite as far as the box goes, you guys. So yes, this is solar charged, full HD recording. It says a large battery on it, okay? So I am not sure how long the battery lasts yet, but we will find that all out. Let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. All right, take it out, and wow, this thing is really small, you guys. I will do a side-by-side comparison, but this thing is literally itty bitty okay? So we have the solar panels on top, which is cool, and I don't mind it being small because it's more places I can put it. I have more wiggle room to put it anywhere I want to. It will blend in anywhere, so being small is not bad. All right, so we have that. Definitely got the booklet. If you need to know, this is a 1.44-inch screen. Now let's see what comes in the goodie bag. All right, so we have a strap. I can actually strap this up. You can put this on a rod if need be. It takes some time for the birds to get used to the feeders. They don't just gravitate right onto the feeders like that. It takes a little while for them to get used to it, to see if they like it or not. Just like the blue jays like my brown bird feeder that's out there, the real long brown one. They don't like the other feeders that I have. So yeah, it's kind of weird, but it is what it is. All right, you guys, so in order to put food in here, you have to slide and then pour your food in here and then close it up. That way your food is protected. Now, you guys, this is not squirrel proof, so if you have a lot of squirrels that like eating from your bird feeders, unfortunately, they will be able to eat from this. All right, you guys, so I guess this is supposed to be water, but I am not going to put no water in it right now. That's if you want to do it that way. If not, then you can go ahead and put on your hummingbird feeder and leave it like that. All right, you guys, so this is how you add your hummingbird nectar in here. Close it back up. All right, so right now I'm not going to add nothing. I actually want to just let this charge. So subscribe to the channel, and yeah, we will see if any birds will get attracted to this. All right, you guys, so I'm just going to do this real quick so I can show y'all. So right here you have the threads on the back, okay? Now, if you want to, you can take this part off, which will make this easier. You could take this part off, thread it right here on your back, all right? And once you do that, and to tighten it, you gotta turn this part right here to tighten it. Put it right here on the back. Make sure you tighten it really tight. Now, it won't stay all the way. I'm trying to tighten it. That's as tight as I could tighten it. So if like a squirrel or something heavy get on here, it will bend down, all right? But if a bird gets on, then you don't have nothing to worry about because birds basically weigh nothing, all right? But yeah, it's a little bit loose, but I think you'll be able to handle it if you want to hang it like this. If not, you can use the strap and strap it up. I'm not gonna put it on right now, but the strap goes right through here, and then you can feed it right through the other side right there. Right now I'm going to show y'all the screen on here and the settings. We just gonna go over some just a little simple stuff once I could get this thing on. All right, well, I just had it on and it went off. Click up, let's see if it comes on. All right, so it's on. Now right now it's on camera mode. You can go up and down if you want to switch to camera mode or video mode. You can have that choice. I had it on camera mode at first. No birds came on here yet, just to let y'all know. But if y'all want to see what the camera look like, I could take a photo or something. But Once again, it takes a while for the birds to gravitate to new bird feeders in my area. So we have video. I'm gonna hit OK. You got playback, you got camera plus video. So if you want to do camera plus video, you can. All right, so let's go ahead and get into settings. OK. Now you can format your card, date and time. So I hit OK. So I got 2023. Let's see. No, it's not 2024. I'm gonna go ahead and hit, can I hit M to go over? Nope. M is to go back. So I'm gonna hit 2023, okay. Up and down to go to the month, which is the 10th, and today is the 16th, I believe. The 16th, and the time is 12. They have military time here, so I don't know if you could turn it from military time to regular time, civilian time, or whatever. All right, I'm gonna hit OK. 12:13. Can I hold it down? No. All right, come on, 12:13. All right. So we at 12:13. Now we're gonna hit OK, leave the seconds alone. All right, so there goes date and time. You have volume. Y'all hear it get louder? All right. I'm gonna just hit OK so I know I'm hitting something. I'll leave the volume up and down. So we got video resolution. We're gonna bring it up to 1080p. All right. Camera resolution. So you got your megapixels right here. We're gonna put it on 12. All right. Burst. Okay, you could do burst photos. That's nice. Let's try 10. All right. Auto power off. Oh, auto power is off, so we're gonna leave that off. We don't need it to auto power. Screensaver. Let's see. Screensaver 2 minutes. I will leave the screensaver on 2 minutes. Video time. Oh, okay, so we got 10 seconds, 30, and 1 minute. You know what? Let's do video for what? 1 minute. Let's do video 1 minute. Language, we leave the language alone. Default settings, version, and that's it. Go back to M. We're going to put it on video, hit OK. And that should be it, you guys. Once you hit OK, it should be activated. This is your sensor right here. I forgot to tell y'all that you can actually charge this if you need to charge it through the back. You have a USB Type-C. They did give you a 32 gig card right there, and this is your on and off switch. So I did forget to tell y'all that, so my bad. And then you can close this back so it can remain waterproof. And yeah, that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, please hit me up in the comment section, and I will try to get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.